Imagine a world where technology isn't just a tool, but a ticket to unimaginable wealth. A world where the lines between reality and science fiction blur, and where the impossible becomes possible. Welcome, my friends, to the dawn of the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to the realms of sci-fi movies or the distant future. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. But what if I told you that this revolution isn't just about technology? What if I told you that it's about you, your dreams, your aspirations? That's right. The AI revolution is creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. And you, yes, you, can be a part of it. In this video, we're going to show you how to ride the wave of the AI revolution, how to seize the opportunities it presents, and how to use it to create the kind of wealth you've only dreamed of. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the future of wealth creation. Are you ready to use the AI revolution to get rich? Let's get started. So what is the AI revolution? It's a phrase that's been buzzing around, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, how can it catapult you into a future of wealth and prosperity? Throughout history, every major technological revolution has brought with it a wave of wealth creation. The invention of the wheel, the Industrial Revolution, the birth of the internet. Each of these seismic shifts has created untold fortunes for those who were ready to seize the opportunities they presented. Today, we stand on the brink of the next great revolution, the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, every sector, every aspect of our lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, from healthcare to entertainment, AI is not just changing the way we live, it's changing the way we create wealth. Just as the internet gave birth to billionaires in the 90s and 2000s, the AI revolution is creating a new generation of wealth. But this isn't wealth that's confined to a select few. No, this is wealth that's accessible to anyone who's willing to learn, to adapt, to seize the opportunities that AI presents. So, are you ready to dive into the AI revolution? Are you ready to seize the opportunities it presents? Are you ready to use AI to create the kind of wealth you've only dreamed of? Let's dive deeper and discover how you can ride the wave of the AI revolution to a future of prosperity and success. Now let's talk about the potential of AI. The potential to transform industries, to disrupt the status quo, and to create unimaginable wealth. AI is already transforming industries. Self-driving cars are revolutionizing transportation. Virtual assistants are making our lives easier. AI algorithms are predicting market trends, diagnosing diseases, even creating art. And this is just the beginning. Companies that have embraced AI are seeing incredible growth. Google, Amazon, Tesla, these are just a few examples of companies that are leveraging AI to create immense wealth. But it's not just about the big players. Startups and entrepreneurs are also harnessing the power of AI to create new products, new services, new business models. They're riding the wave of the AI revolution, and they're creating wealth in the process. But what about you? What about your potential to create wealth with AI? You might be thinking, I'm not a tech whiz. I don't know the first thing about AI. And that's okay, because the beauty of the AI revolution is that it's not just for the tech whizzes. It's for anyone who's willing to learn, to adapt, to seize the opportunities that AI presents. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start an AI business, an investor looking to invest in AI companies, or just someone who wants to understand the potential of AI, the opportunities are there. You just have to be willing to seize them. So are you ready to unlock the potential of AI? Are you ready to seize the opportunities it presents? Are you ready to use AI to create the kind of wealth you've only dreamed of? Let's move on to the next step and discover how you can leverage AI to get rich. So, you're excited about the AI revolution. You see the potential. You're ready to seize the opportunities. But how? How can you leverage AI to create wealth? Let's dive into it. First and foremost, educate yourself. You don't need to become a data scientist or an AI engineer, but having a basic understanding of AI and its potential applications can open up a world of opportunities. There are countless resources available, online courses, books, videos that can help you get started. Next, think about how AI can be applied in your field. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other industry, there are likely ways that AI can improve efficiency, solve problems, or create new opportunities. The key is to think creatively and be willing to embrace new technologies. Consider investing in AI. AI is a rapidly growing field, and companies that are leading in this technology are likely to see significant growth. Whether you're investing in stocks, venture capital, or even starting your own AI company, there are plenty of opportunities for wealth creation. Don't forget the power of networking. Connect with others in the AI field. Attend conferences, join online forums, participate in meetups. Networking can help you stay up to date on the latest developments, find job opportunities, and potentially find partners for entrepreneurial ventures. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, take action. The AI revolution is happening now. The opportunities are here now, so don't wait. Start learning, start brainstorming, start investing, start networking. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start creating wealth. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just about technology. It's about you. It's about your potential to create wealth, to achieve success, to live the life you've always dreamed of. And the key to unlocking that potential is to seize the opportunities that AI presents. So are you ready to leverage AI? Are you ready to seize the opportunities it presents? Let's move on to the next step and discover how real people just like you have used AI to get rich. Now let's delve into some real-world case studies. Let's explore how individuals and companies have harnessed the power of AI to create wealth and achieve success. First, let's look at the story of DeepMind. This UK-based AI company has made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence, including developing an AI that can play and win games against human players. Their innovative work caught the attention of tech giant Google, who acquired DeepMind in 2014 for around $500 million. This is a prime example of how innovative applications of AI can lead to substantial financial success. Next, let's consider the journey of Andrew Ng. A renowned figure in the AI world, Andrew co-founded Coursera, a popular online learning platform that uses AI to personalize learning experiences. He also served as the chief scientist at VYBO, leading the company's AI group. His career is a testament to how knowledge and innovation in AI can lead to wealth creation and influential positions in the tech industry. Then, there's Zipline, a drone delivery company that uses AI to deliver medical supplies to remote areas in several African countries. Zipline has raised over $200 million in funding, demonstrating how AI can be used to address critical real-world problems and build a successful business. Their success story shows the potential of AI in creating innovative solutions that can change the world and generate wealth. Finally, let's look at the story of Jensen Huang, the co-founder and CEO of NVIDIA. Under Huang's leadership, NVIDIA, a company known for producing GPUs for gaming, expanded into the AI market. They now provide hardware that powers AI in self-driving cars, cloud computing, and more. NVIDIA's success in the AI space has made it a multi-billion-dollar company, showcasing how strategic leadership and investment in AI can lead to immense wealth. So, what can we learn from these real-world case studies? That the key to leveraging AI to create wealth is to embrace the technology, believe in your ability to succeed, be willing to adapt and innovate, and never stop learning. How can you follow in the footsteps of these successful individuals and companies? We've explored the AI revolution, its potential, and how you can leverage it to create wealth. We've looked at real-life case studies of people who have used AI to achieve success. And now, it's your turn. The AI revolution is here, and it's creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. But these opportunities won't seize themselves. It's up to you to seize them. It's up to you to take action. So, educate yourself about AI. Think about how you can apply AI in your field. Consider investing in AI. Network with others in the AI field, and most importantly, take action. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start creating wealth. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just about technology. It's about you. It's about your potential to create wealth, to achieve success, to live the life you've always dreamed of. And the key to unlocking that potential is to seize the opportunities that AI presents. So, are you ready to embrace the future? Are you ready to use the AI revolution to get rich? The future is here, my friends, and it's yours for the taking. So, let's seize it together. Join us in the VYBO Mastermind, where we discuss the latest opportunities in AI, tech, and business in general. You can find the link below this video. Let's create wealth, success, and the life we've always dreamed of. Because the AI revolution is here, and it's time to get rich.